Video ads drive the highest return on ad spend across Meta, TikTok, and YouTube. But producing them is the biggest bottleneck for digital marketers. You need multiple hook angles, specific aspect ratios for every ad network, burned-in captions for muted mobile scrollers, and rapid iteration to beat ad fatigue. In this step-by-step tutorial, I'm going to show you how to take a simple landing page URL, product brief, or screen recording and turn it into a high-converting digital marketing video ad campaign in under 3 minutes using AI. Step 1. Head over to ngram.com and claim your 600 free starter credits, no credit card needed. Instead of writing tedious creative briefs, you simply drop your product URL, promotional brief, or raw screen capture directly into Ngram's AI video agent. Ngram analyzes your value proposition, identifies your target audience, and structures a performance-driven ad script using proven direct response frameworks. Type into Ngram's Agentic chat, generate a 30-second digital marketing video ad from this URL, use a high-converting problem solution hook, apply smart zooms to the main product UI, smooth cursor drifts, add high-contrast captions, and apply our brand kit. Step 2. Let the AI agent build and polish your creative. Ngram automatically cuts out silent pauses, smooths cursor jitter, applies smart camera zooms to your key UI features, and burns in bold captions for users watching on mute. Need to test a different angle to lower your customer acquisition cost? You don't rebuild the project, just prompt the chat agent. Change the opening hook to a customer social proof angle and re-render, and your new variant is ready in seconds. Step 3. Export your multi-platform ad kit. Digital marketing requires tailored formats for every placement. Ngram renders your master ad into 9 to 16 verticals for TikTok and Reels, 1-to-1 square for Meta feeds, and 16 to 9 landscape for YouTube in a single workflow. Plus, you can use ImageLab to generate matching static image ads and thumbnails that maintain your exact brand typography and color palette. Stop letting slow creative production cycles bottleneck your digital ad campaigns. Head over to ngram.com, claim your 600 free starter credits, and start creating high-converting video ads in minutes.